Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. It's Orlando Pirates 3, Marumo Gallants nil. I'm with Chwaka with me to analyze the game. Abu Chwaka Omnandi.
Ngimnandi brother, ngimnandi uzubona ba ngimnandi. iValentine namhlanje sireceive the best of the best Valentine gift. Into nero ngo mastandi pantonero into nero ngo mastandi pantonero into nero ngo mastandi pares umastandi pares uma nangiyabuza into nero ngo mastandi mina ngiyabuza into nero ngo mastandi into nero ngo mastandi pare umastandi pare ihappiness mfethu ayibuzwa eMarapastad uyolimala moyobuza ihappiness eMarapastad mphathi wohlelo ungayifuthi enashurene uyobuza ihappiness uyolimala iza eAmstel Arena lapho ihappiness ibuzwa khona Brian on behalf of Orlando Pirates supporters angibonge abalandeli bePirates the way ukusukela kuRivero senza ama full packing stadium now and then uRivero uhambe azi ukuthi beshama sold out ufike manje insizwende bathi mude dubula magazini safa indlala usiphamse zinyoni abantu baqala ukulahlekelwa ithemba. I remember sishawa isikhukhuni sakwalandelayo neMarumo lebesikhala imali inyanzo today besikhala imali inyanzo besingashaya eMarumo besikhala imali inyanzo lento yayenza eBloom ukuthi athi umdemude efika bafuna ukuthi enyukelwe iBP agcina abalandeli sebegagama ngithe mangireceive iinterview kwi kick off and then bebuza ukuthi kwenze njani kubalandeli ngathi no I think into edide uAbdullah esicabanisa nabalandeli ufuna ukwenza something new wangahambi ne combination Africa seyikhona. I think mangaba ayeke iPride abuyele kule combination ebeyisebenza naye uzazenzela eyakhe ihistory kuOrlando Pirates Football Club. I think that warning from supporters iyo le namhlanje esemenza khululeke abone ukuthi ngempela team without management naye izimqeqeshi the player number 12 Orlando Pirates supporters they know a culture. That message for 2 games yesikhukhuni neMarumo siluza that 6 point wahamba wona o send a message kuAbdullah. That's why today uAbdullah enza sure ukuthi game by game uya excel of which njengamanje ngithi badlali bePirates only 2 cups left and then kulama 2 cups left sekuyabonakala phambili hayi ukuthi we are far from ukuthi sesiyabona phambili sesiyabona phambili akiwa khona njenga sokhanya nje. My request to them, please guys, don't switch off a light, continue and work very hard game by game, take it serious like a cup final. So kuseduze bazi bengaboni lama team wonke ku PSL abone sesenza lento abathi operation teka inkwazi we take all si clean singanikezi no i1 senza iphutha last sathi cup elinye siliphosa phezulu ekwanti lizowela ezandleni zika Sathana basafundekeli webabo bathi asike sime kancane bona bake Africa asathi noba lo Africa basazohamba uhambo olude yini manje sisafuna ukwenza leyo nto selifuna manje sithathe iBetway. I think mjasodla neSundowns that game for us with the Sundowns Wednesday we are going to close the chapter. That 3 point were very important. That game I call a Betway final game. That game is going to be a decider. If the Pirates ngempela ithi knock Betway, please open the door. That game is very serious. And then akumele silose. That 3 point is very important. Okwethi bamasesiyodlala neKaizer Chiefs nge28 sazi basesiya ku friendly game because into yenzekile leadership. Ngifuna ukukhuluma lento ibhlungu lento le message esendwe abalandeli beOrlando Pirates nabalandeli beChiefs ukuthi athi ama-ticket wethu neSundowns neMarumo bekhishiwe at least senze kahle la bekuyi ampur bakube sold out. Uyibonile bemnandi le attendance angiyazi ngisayibhekile lesaya kuyona because into engibangisho kanje yazi idabi ihlaze iSundowns angisho nje kanjalo. Can you imagine amatikiti edabi athengise only 30 minutes sold out. Kune game engezi 18 ngoba na iSundowns isiclaim ukuthi is a big team but amatikiti avume kuphela. Manje ngireversa imemory yami ukuthi ngisho noba ngathiwa akubuyiswe enye game Monday be Paris versus Chiefs is obvious shoot ama-game futhi ama-tickets azabe sold out before is 18 uyabona kushuthi eMarapa Stad angazi kodwa ke
support there
abana support kodwa ke ngithi mabhakaniya come one come all let's try ukuthi nakhona eFNB senze sold out. I trust you energy spirit naso uthando nalo ngeteam yethu mabhakaniya compliance wa volunteering. We love iParis with deep down ngenhliziyo zethu sishaya yonke into yathi namanje omama angazi kuqophe komnye umlando thiwa le Valentine inhloli uyasazi inhloli ngesizulu ngaphela abantu aba analyzer into zisale ukuthi thi into ebonakale kule Valentine abomama bebebodwa thiwa isibalo sabomama bebesingile siyethusa twasiyethusa kakhulu isibalo sabomama bebesingile abangawatholanga amabloom angazi ukuthi inhlelo zibhediswe yini noba ulokushisa kwePirates ngoba kuthiwa amadoda wonke avena abalekela la eArena lento evene yenzeka kuthiwa amabloom abathe bendlalile emashiti bendlala amabloom belinde ukuthi ubaba uyabuya baba ukuphi wathi baba ngise-Arena sho ukuthi Valentine lapha ibinkulu khona kakhulu kwise-Arena ngithi management yePirates keep it up guys.
Last one Pagania, did you hear Dr. Khumalo?
You know, sometimes kunento ezisom you can be good ekudlaleni ibhola ube bad analyzing football lonto yenzeka
It's very much possible.
yeah yenzeka but I can't blame doctor mhlambe imthole engekho ready kuyenzeka lokhu i-interview kuthole ungekho ready ubuzwe kuthiwa uyamazi uNelson Mandela uthi ngazo Trump lento yenzeka ku5 Steepers. I like it for the Paris. Oh, rest in peace. Rest in peace, my friend. Doctor, I can't blame you, but somehow I think now must say bega the interview yakhe. I understand ya say. Atwa se tube, I flopile into one. Uflopile dokotela. Awubanga udokotela we disc kule game. Ube udokotela wenhlanya. The mad people. Yeah. But please next time I trust you uzobuya ne-interview eVuthupond kodwa ke nginje kubadlali bami isikhahlakahle Makhawula uyabona umidfield mawubambe kanje intwana ungapheli moya Mbuthuma ziposition entwana amagoli maningi kuwena ubayeke bakwenzela umsebenzi bafike la ziposition ngamapholi ukuthi ulwa kanjani namapholi Apollos nabo Tito nabo Mfukeni bazokulethela mfana ibhatha uyifaka isinkwini wena nje shaya inethi kuphela ilwane net ngiyabonga mfana umuntu oyenzile Mfukeni asho mfana ngathi khuphula spirit ungasaba confuse manje uzoya mfana omphesheya kwezilwadle but one step at a time focus ala iArena mfana zonke into zazenzekela uNkulunkulu mfana wami unamashafta wakhe njengamanje ngithi nje kubadlali bonke beParis the way enesinikeza ngakhona happiness continue guys niyabona nje ukuthi ubani kehle babethu wenzani umbulu babethu umbulu uphelile wenzani la eArena ugcwele happiness phela mbona intwana ubayeka abantu abakhuluma kabi bavezela into oyiphethe onyaweni that's only football oyiphiwe uNkulunkulu talent onalo keep it up fun ngamanye amazwi ngithi wase pirate
Always a pirate.
always
Opa.